never seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen.
Good morning. Razor Dark Explorer. We're heading out the door to go to the mall to pick up some makeup, and I want to visit Zara for sure, and perhaps Sephora. Another day, another adventure. Let's see what we get into today. And I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends later for a little picnic. We're gonna go on the Beltline and just catch up and chill. I need to get some clothes and some makeup because I didn't really pack any going out clothes, and I'm going to be going out this weekend.
But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You want nobody giving center for I'm saying I'ma need you.
Okay guys, I am ready. I'm going to the park with my friends. We're going to be doing some catching up. So you'll meet Zenobia, that's my best friend. You'll meet Carissa and Natalie, my college friends. I picked this up from Zara. Well, this is a medium and it's a little too big, but it's supposed to fit loose. It's a two-piece set, the top and the bottom. I'll turn around. A little too long, but usually I wear these with heels, my chunky heels, sandals. I'm usually wearing chunky heels or sandals. I just have my sandals today. I like it. I'm gonna see how the small fits, if it fits a little more snug, and the pants will probably be a little shorter. But I wanna pick this up in some more colors. Just something quick to put on, to be comfortable and to lounge in, give vacation vibes. You know, I live on an island, okay? So yeah, these will come in handy. My friend is picking me up, so we gotta go. And we got Daddy Farron. We got Mama Zuby. Oh my gosh, my friend has a baby. She's a mom. She's a whole mom. Oh my gosh. You're gonna play skateboarding? What's a skateboard, Nick? You have the skateboard?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Razor, what you doing? So she's scooting on the Beltline. Him still a chat? Razor, remember when he was passing us and he was chatting? He's still him still a chat.
You have to run and
Push,
run
yeah,
and
like
yeah,
push it.
Push on.
Alright.
You have to balance. The blue one.
I pressed it down.
Go fast. Press it down hard, yeah.
Push off and then hold it down.
Go.
Balance.
Be careful.
Remember the brake.
Shut up, we break. Shut up, we break. You know where we park, right into the car. The harder you push it, the faster it goes. So if you want to push it light, you can. Go, Ray. Yeah. Yeah. Go red. Yeah. You got it. Look at that.
I have to go balance this. I ain't gonna balance.
Really?
You did it before?
I did it while I was pregnant. Like 8. How far along was that? Like 8 months.
Are you first time with the electric scooter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's right. We used to do like the Uber one and thing, so. But you have it, man. Trust me, you have it.
And not too long ago got in. It was a nice vibe. It's always a nice vibe to catch up and to just chill. And everybody is grown now. We're no longer in college. We're full-blown adults now, and everybody's life is so different. As you can see, everyone has a family, and it's so beautiful. I love stuff like that, you know. And it's just interesting to see where we are now and to recollect the memories of how it used to be back in the day. And anybody you see around me, just know they're good people, okay? People that I've connected with in some part of my life and I've kept the connection going. Y'all, it's 8:47, right? Tell me why I have this crazy idea of going to the gym. Just to walk. I mean, I just need to chill, but I want to do my walk on a treadmill. Should I? I just like being active. I have about 10K steps so far. Should I just go to bed? No, I think I'm gonna walk on a treadmill and then go to bed. Yeah, let's do that. I'm back. I left earlier than I wanted to because there was this guy, he was giving weird vibes. I'm very observant. So this guy kept coming in and out, and when he was inside in the little aerobics room that they had, the room that we did the yoga in, he kept bouncing the medicine ball, the big bouncy medicine ball. He was just bouncing it up and down in the room, just bouncing it. I was like, that's weird. And he just kept bouncing it, and it seemed like he was on the phone, but then he didn't have any headphones in his ears. So he was in there for a while, and then another guy was in there as well. So I was like, okay, I'm not the only one in the gym. The weird guy left, and it was just the two of us in the gym. And then after a while, the guy who was in the gym with me, he left, and then the weird guy came back in after a while. So it was him and I. As he came back in and it was just two of us, I said, nope. I grabbed my stuff and I left. No, that's weird. I don't know. He didn't even have on any gym clothes or anything. He just had on regular clothes. Nah, y'all be safe out on these streets. My intuition said grab your stuff and go. And intuition didn't have to finish the conversation. As I heard grab. The GR and grab. As I heard that, we was out the door. Time for me to take a shower and go to bed. I don't know, I might wake up late tomorrow again. We'll see. But I prefer to work out earlier in the morning. I don't know yet. We'll see. Good night.